Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Cash App blocking your payments so you can send and receive money without those annoying security alerts getting in the way. It is very common for Cash App to cancel a transaction for your protection if the system notices something unusual, but most of the time you can resolve this by following a few simple verification steps. The first thing you should do is open the Activity tab the bottom of your home screen and look at the specific payment that was declined. If you see a button that says confirm or review, you should tap it and follow the prompts to tell Cash App that you actually recognize the transaction and want it to go through. Another very important step is to make sure your account is fully verified by going to your profile and providing your legal name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. Verification is the best way to prove you are a real person, and it also helps increase your sending limits so the system doesn't flag your bigger payment as suspicious. You should also check that your linked debit card or bank account information is completely up to date because an expired card or a tiny typo in your account number will cause an instant block. If you are trying to send money to someone new, it is a good idea to double check their cash tag or phone number to make sure you aren't sending funds to a reported or high risk account. Many people also find that turning off their VPN and switching from a weak Wi Fi signal to a mobile data can stop the app from flagging your location as a security risk. If you keep getting blocked in, even after these steps, try starting a new chat with support directly in the app or calling their official helpline to have a representative manually review your account.